students, my name is Shukti Maheshwari from grade 3. We are showing the theme on the lack of physical activities in students. We are all living in the modern era of the world. That's why we are all attracted towards the new things or gadgets like mobile, personal computers, laptops, and TV, other electronic gadgets. Students are more attracted by the gadgets, but it is harmful for them. I know this is source of knowledge and understand the fact with the help of it. You know each coin has two sides. The same way you can identify that the gadgets are irresponsible and not useful for the physical growth of children. So let us see the effects and how to overcome on it through by
बाबू मेरे ये जुल्म न कर और पे करो बच्चों पे सितम रे बाबू मेरे ये जुल्म न कर ये जुल्म न कर
Just now we hear the song. How does you feel? I think it attacks on your mind, which is always think about mobile and electronic gadgets. Dear ones, there are lot of physical activity. It has positive and negative impacts. Here we will see negative impacts of physical activity due to the gadgets and pandemic. First, weight increase. Second, lack of things. Third, addict of things. Fourth, high risks of metabolic syndrome. Fifth, diabetes. Sixth, eye strain problem. Seventh, joint pain. Eighth, disturb mental health, mood. Ninth, ears problem. And 10th, solitary living. Lack of physical activity. We can see the advice except of physical activity. We are inviting the illness and worst situation of mental health. Thank you.
introductory part, how the gadgets are harmful showed by the song. Then the negative effects of physical activity. Now we all are near to conclusion, how to overcome on it. The change has come in our life due to the pandemic and electronic gadgets. As we know, because of Corona or COVID-19, we all are attracted towards the gadgets. As you know, classes and schools are online to maintain the social distancing. In this way, we observe the lack of physical activity. Physical work or activity is very important for our mind and body both. It keeps us active. There are many solutions on it, such as do exercise daily, play more outdoor games, improve our memory and brain function, protect against many chronic diseases, improve our weight, improve our blood pressure and heart health, reduce feelings of anxiety and depression, improve joint pain and stiffness, express thoughts and feelings with our friends, bind the correlation with each other. So guys, these are the important things to improve our health through the physical activity, to give time for self-progress and live long 103 years. Thanks a lot for watching this, and thanks who put efforts in this. Thank you.
देखो इन्हें ये ओस की बूंदें पत्तों की गोद में आसमां से कूदे अंगड़ाई ले फिर करवट बदल कर नाजुक से मोती हंस दे फिसल कर खो न जाएंगे ये तो है सर्दी धूप की किरणें उतरे जो आंगन को सुनहरा सा करने मन के अंधेरों को रोशन सा कर दे जुड़ती हथेली की रंगत बदल दे खो न जाएंगे तारे ज़मीं